In this video we're going to start looking at creating assignments on TextActivities. So here I am in my Year 7 Spanish class. I'm on the Assignments tab. You can see that there are no assignments set currently. So to create an assignment I can click on New Assignment. I can create an assignment based on any of the resources that are available on the website. I'll use my own resource, the one that I created the other day, on a different video. So Spanish Key Stage 3 School subjects, likes and dislikes. So once I've chosen my resource, I have various options for building my own assignment. The first one simply requires us to select activities from an activity menu. For example, I want to set 5 or 6 activities based on the texts. So I'll start with multiple choice 1 in 4, jigsaw rebuild 12, a million, gap fill random and space. And as you can see, all of those activities that I've been clicking there in the activity menu have appeared in the activity list below. Right, for multiple choice I want it to be without audio. For jigsaw I'd like to use audio. For multiple choice I'd like to include the parallel text, so they have that to refer to. For million I won't include audio or parallel text. For gap fill I will include parallel text, and for space I will include audio. And the last activity in the assignment I'm going to set as an assessment. I'm going to allow student to preview the resource and click to finalize. Now I can give my assignment a title. I've already selected to allow resource preview. I'm assigning it to the whole class, no instructions required, and it's set for 1 week from now, but I'll change it till tomorrow, and I'll change the time to midday. And then we can choose to preview the assignment before we set it, make sure we're happy with it, and if we're not we can go back and change things. For example, the way that we go back and change things is we can go back to the name of our resource. We can see how all of our activities listed there. We can delete them, move them around, change a few things, add a few more, etc. Go back to finalize and we'll quickly preview it. And there's our assignment preview with the resource preview which we selected. Allows the student to look at the text, listen to it, look at the meanings of all the vocabulary and so on before they begin. And so they can then click on Start Assignment. And because we're in preview mode, we can have a look at the activity, decide that we're happy with it. I can skip through it. That looks good. But this is a millionaire activity without any extra help at all. It's just rebuilding the text. Gap fill with parallel text but no audio. And the final one.
En el colegio, estudio historia y geografía.
Final one is in assessment mode, and we're given information there about assessment mode, which we'll go on to in a different video. So yep, I'm happy with all of that, so I'll close that preview tab and go back to where I was and set the assignment. And there is my assignment set. School 5 text activities. The activities are listed here. The student, when they go to their class, will see this assignment listed in their assignments tab. They click on Start to begin the assignment. I'll quickly show you that. We'll do one of the activities. There's the preview again, allowing me to look through the whole thing. Start the assignment, and we'll quickly complete this. Okay, so once the activity is completed, the student is told how many they got correct, how long they spent, what their score is. They have the option to redo the activity if they're not happy with it. And if they are happy, they can click on Next to proceed to the next activity. And because we've set this assignment to have a resource preview, you also have the option of clicking Next with Preview. I'll show you that now. So essentially that goes through to the next activity, but with a resource preview beforehand. So there's our resource preview again. This time we can resume the assignment with Activity 2. This is our text rebuild with no parallel text, but with audio.
En el colegio, estudio historia y geografía.
And if I suddenly have to give up on this and abandon the assignment because I've run out of time, all I have to do is go back to my class and the progress will be saved. You can see that I've completed 1 out of 5 of the activities with 100%. and if I click on resume, it will actually go back into the activity at the correct point. So it's remembered that I've already done 2 of the blocks. I just need to carry on with the activity to complete it. Quickly, some teacher tools. This appears in the teacher view, not in the student view. You have a few actions here. You can share a link to this assignment to your Google Classroom. You can copy a link here so that you can paste it elsewhere. If at some point in the future you want to preview the assignment again in the same way that we did before we set the assignment, you can do that here. I'll quickly show you. There's our preview again, starting from the beginning, and we can skip and so on. And we can copy it to this class, so we can reset it in this class, or copy it to any of the other classes. Because I don't have any other classes, I'm only offered the option to reassign it to this class. I can edit a few details about the assignment, I can end it now, or I can delete it completely. And that concludes this introduction to assignments.